Hello all, I'm back on the CJ2A with another question for all of you L134 experts. So I've been going through the manual under section 8 for electrical trying to find a service limit on the distributor, and I haven't quite found one yet. So maybe you guys know. This is an Autolite, I think it's a 4008, and it's 180 degrees out, but that doesn't matter in this application for now. But what I'm trying to find out is like how much slop there should be here. Because I mean, side to side, rotationally, in and out, I mean there's just a ton of extra movement in here. So is this thing just worn the heck out and that's why I can't get the thing to run and it misses all the time? This is a new condenser and some new points, and it's actually running worse than ever. So I don't really know if I just got a bad set of new points out of the box or a bad condenser right out of the box. I have to switch to Pertronix ignition just to bypass all this, but if this thing is just loose and out of spec, it won't matter. So what are your thoughts? Let me know in a comment below. Thank you.